Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes 8th class computer class. 8th class we had completed our 3 chapters. Now my 4th chapter is more on HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. It is a language, it is used to create web development. In this we will work on HTML language. Intro. Internet is network of computer network that connect millions of computers around the globe. The individual computers are connected to some powerful computers is called servers. We already know about this. Whenever a control is doing by any PC, it is known as server. These servers store file and information in the form of websites. These files can be accessed by different users from anywhere in the world using the internet connections. Websites contain different pages called web pages. The first page of any website is called home page. Whenever we go on any website, first page is known as home page and all pages known as web pages. The home page contain links to other web pages. HTML is a language used to create web pages or documents on World Wide Web. It is a language to create document on World Wide Web. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We have already learnt about HTML and its feature in the previous class. Let us learn more about it. Terms in HTML. In HTML, what terms we have? Every HTML document consists of tag and the content for the body of the web page. A tag is an HTML command that controls the structure and appearance of the page or document that is created. Every tag has attributes or special properties. HTML document is developed the use of tag and every tag has a attributes, means some personalities of tags. HTML tag. HTML tag determine the way the browser would display the text. The tags are always enclosed within a pair of angular brackets. The text is written in the tags, for example, title and head. Tag is always come with the angular brackets, two angular brackets in start and end. We have tags, two types of tag, non-empty or container tags. Non-empty means this is not blank, it is come with the pair. Whenever we have tag in couples, pairs, it is known as non-empty. An empty tag require an opening tag and a closing tag. On tags are written within the angular brackets and off tags are also written within the angular brackets but using a slash before the command. End tag came with the slash. It is the sign of end tag. And the start tag, it is come with the angular brackets. Both come with the angular brackets but end tag come with the slash. Empty tag. Just now I told you non-empty tag come in the couples but empty tag come singular. An empty tag does not require a closing tag. These tags are also written within angular brackets, for example HR and BR, but this is single. Attributes. Attributes is the part of tag. Some tags have special attributes which offer many options to format the tags content. Attributes are within the angular brackets with its corresponding tag one after another with a space in between each of them. For example, font size 5, color red, where size and color are the attribute of font tag. Yeah, we are working on font but this is the attribute of font tag. Values. Attributes can have values. Most of the attributes have some defined values which will be accepted only by that attribute. For example, font size equal 5 where 5 is the value. Value has given to convert the data. Nesting tag. Whenever nesting word come in the computer word, nesting means one in another one, means एक के अंदर एक. When you use tag within some other tag, it is called nesting. Nesting of tags. Care must be taken while using closing tags. They should correspond to the last unclosed opening tag. For example, head, title, HTML टाइटल एंड हेड. हेड स्टार्ट किया, उसके अंदर टाइटल है, तो फिर हमने पहले टाइटल को बंद किया, फिर हेड को बंद किया. सो वेन एवर वी हैव टैग इन अनदर टैग, इट इज नोन एज नेस्टिंग टैग. Special symbols. HTML support ASCII set of characters and some other characters too. 4 symbols are generally reserved in HTML: greater than, less than, double straight quotes and ampersand. This is the special characters, special symbols in HTML. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe. We will read. Continue.